So you can further modify that you don't want this office in the female count here, so remove this show header. And then if you want to format this, then go to the 0 field and the text field, go to this and then change this color of font. Say you want some this color, keep it okay, apply. Right, then you can add the titles also here. Then if I select say some more fields, if I select the model over here, then it will show this. You have again one more option here to sort it. So this is how it shows the butterfly. You can scroll down this and get these values. So for subcategories it is showing, that is, these are the models, and then in models it is going for different colors. Okay, so this is how you can modify this butterfly chart. You can make it fit to width, you can make with entire view, and so on. So you can modify these settings and go accordingly with your visualization.